Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from CozCreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm playing with my spinny thing. I'm playing with a reused canvas. I've been practicing my swipes because I'm going to be teaching lots of swiping coming up here at the Fluid Art Experience, and I need to make sure that I'm at the top of my game for y'all. And I had my spinny thing out because I was getting my TLP on, my piggies on, and I'm like, well, let's leave it out. Let's give something a try. So wasn't happy with this swipe. It was too dark. People like things that are bright and cheery, and it wasn't bright and cheery. So I thought I'd paint over it. And I have some leftover paints here from a pour that I did earlier, a swipe that I really love. I'll post a picture of it for you, although I believe the video to do the swipe has already come out. But I wanted to lay my colors down a little bit heavier, and I wanted to swipe very gingerly, and then I wanted to spin just to see what happens. I like an irregular swipe. I like ones that are on the horizontal, or the swiping line is arced. I like them to be a little bit different. Very often after I do a swipe, I'll tilt it to arc that swipe line because I really like the way that looks. So I figured, well, let's just give it a spin. It might work, it might not work. If it doesn't work, we'll scrape it and do regular swipe. So our base coat today is my new favorite base coat, guys. It's Creative Inspirations, and this is their Paynes Gray. Lovely paint, affordable, and I'm happy that I found it. Lots of artists out there use it. I think the first person I saw use it was Molly from Molly's Artistry. That's our base coat. All of our paints are mixed the same. They are mixed with American Floetrol, GAC 800, and Liquitex. How much of each? Well, you got about 1 part paint, 2 parts of the Floetrol, 1 part Liquitex, and a big healthy squirt of GAC. I'm sorry, I don't measure. And then I look at it, I adjust my consistency. We needed a good amount of water in the Creative Inspirations because it is thick. This is also the Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray. This is Decoart Metallics in the Peacock Pearl. This is Decoart Metallics in the Baby Blue. I believe that's Extreme Sheen. This is, I don't know. I think it's Decoart Peacock Pearl with a squirt of golden fluids in the Turquoise. This is Decoart Pearl in the Extreme Sheen. This is Decoart 24 karat gold in the metallics. And this is Decoart Copper, and I believe that's Dazzling metallics. So all Decoart paints with the exception of our base coat. Love Decoart. They're good people. One of our sponsors at the Fluid Art Experience, Decoart. I thank you for always being there for us. I'm gonna put my base coat down, put my colors down a little bit heavier so I have a little bit more paint on the canvas. I'm gonna swipe it, and then I'm gonna spin it. Unless it's the most incredible swipe I've ever done. Then I won't spin it. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. been a fool to live without your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.
That was fun, guys. That's a pretty swipe. I love these big bulbous stretched out cells and these right here. This guy bothers me a little bit, but I always save a little bit of my paint and put it right next to my painting underneath the net where it dries. And that way I have it on hand once it's dry to do any fix-its. Like one thing I will definitely do through here is the gold has kind of washed into that dark Paynes gray, and I don't like that so much. So I'll probably come in with a brush and redefine this line a little bit. I could certainly just swipe it with a very thin paper towel, but yeah, that was fun. It's irregular, it's bulbous, it's a pretty little painting, guys. So using the spinny thing on our swipes, that's fun. And I know a lot of people who do bloom swipes and whatnot use the spinny thing as well. I have. So that's just a fun little thing to fiddle with, guys. Thanks for joining me. What's going on? What else is going on? Oh, lots is going on. And I'm okay with that. Thanks for being here. Have a great evening or day to come, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye now.